Your health is truly your most valuable asset. Taking care of yourself and your loved ones is a priority that impacts every aspect of your life. We understand that navigating healthcare can seem complex, but securing reliable coverage doesn't have to be. This video is designed to empower you with clear, actionable information about affordable healthcare options. We'll guide you through the simple process of enrolling, highlight the significant financial assistance available, and remind you of a crucial deadline. Our goal is to ensure you have the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're covered. Staying on top of your health is more important now than ever before. Life can be unpredictable, and having health insurance provides a vital safety net for you and your family. It's about protecting your well-being and your financial future. We are here to help you understand your choices and make the best decision for your circumstances. You deserve access to quality healthcare, and we want to show you how attainable it truly is. Let's explore how easy it is to get covered. HealthCare.gov is your official gateway to finding and enrolling in quality, affordable health insurance. Think of it as your one-stop shop for comparing plans and securing coverage that fits your life. This platform was designed with you in mind, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. You can visit HealthCare.gov from any computer, tablet, or smartphone. The website guides you step by step through the application process, ensuring you don't miss any important details. It's a secure and reliable resource for millions of Americans. One of the biggest advantages of HealthCare.gov is its ability to help you quickly compare plan options side by side. You can see different plans from various insurance companies, all in one place. This allows you to evaluate benefits, costs, and provider networks with ease. The platform helps you customize your coverage to meet your individual needs and budget. Whether you're a young adult just starting out, a small business owner looking for options, or a part-time worker seeking flexibility, HealthCare.gov has plans designed for diverse situations. You can filter plans based on your preferences, such as specific doctors or hospitals. The key benefit is the ability to compare plans easily and transparently. No more sifting through countless individual insurance company websites. HealthCare.gov streamlines the entire process, saving you time and effort. It puts you in control of your healthcare decisions. We know that the cost of healthcare is a major concern for many people. You might be thinking that health insurance is simply too expensive, especially if you're an uninsured adult, part of a low-income family, or a small business owner managing tight budgets. We want to reassure you that affordability is a crucial aspect of the coverage offered through HealthCare.gov. Many people are surprised to learn just how much financial assistance is available to help lower their monthly premiums. These savings are designed to make health insurance accessible to everyone, regardless of their income level. You don't have to choose between your health and your finances. The government provides subsidies and tax credits that can significantly reduce the amount you pay each month. These aren't loans, they are financial aid that you don't have to pay back, as long as you qualify. The application on HealthCare.gov will automatically determine if you're eligible for these savings. In fact, a remarkable 4 out of 5 customers who enroll through HealthCare.gov find plans for $21 or less per month after financial help. This statistic highlights the incredible affordability that many people discover. Imagine getting comprehensive health coverage for less than $1 a day. These plans are not just for a select few, they are available to a wide range of incomes and family sizes. Even if you think you earn too much to qualify, it's always worth checking. Many people who thought they wouldn't receive help end up getting substantial savings. So, let us reinforce this crucial point. Plans are available for as low as $21 per month, and often even less, thanks to financial assistance. Don't let assumptions about cost prevent you from exploring your options. You might be pleasantly surprised by what you find. Beyond affordability, it's essential to understand what these plans actually cover. The health insurance plans offered through HealthCare.gov are comprehensive, meaning they provide robust protection for a wide range of medical needs. They are designed to give you peace of mind, knowing you're covered for essential services. These plans aren't just for emergencies, they focus on preventative care to keep you healthy. They cover a broad spectrum of services, ensuring you have access to the care you need when you need it. This clarity about coverage is vital for your well-being. One of the core benefits included in every plan is doctor visits. This means you can see your primary care physician for routine checkups, preventative screenings, and when you're feeling unwell. Regular doctor visits are crucial for maintaining good health and catching potential issues early. You won't have to delay seeking care due to cost concerns. Prescriptions are another fundamental component of these comprehensive plans. Whether you need medication for a chronic condition or a short-term illness, your plan will help cover the cost. This can lead to significant savings, especially for those who rely on regular prescriptions. Access to necessary medications is a cornerstone of effective healthcare. Emergency care is also fully covered, providing a critical safety net for unexpected medical crises. If you experience an accident or sudden illness, you can seek immediate treatment without worrying about overwhelming bills. This protection is invaluable and offers true security in uncertain times. But the coverage doesn't stop there. These plans also include mental health services, maternity and newborn care, laboratory services, pediatric services, and rehabilitation services. They are designed to provide holistic care for you and your family. This comprehensive approach ensures that your health needs are met across the board. These plans provide essential protection and much more, giving you confidence in your healthcare choices. You're not just getting a basic plan, you're getting robust coverage that supports your overall health and well-being. It's about investing in your future and your peace of mind. Now, for a critical reminder, the deadline to enroll for health coverage starting January 1st is fast approaching. You must act promptly to secure your coverage and ensure you don't experience a gap in protection. This is an urgent call to action for your health and financial security. The enrollment deadline is December 15th. This date is crucial because it's your last chance to get coverage that begins at the start of the new year. Missing this deadline means you might have to wait longer for your coverage to begin, leaving you vulnerable. Mark your calendars and prioritize this important step. If you enroll by December 15th, your new health coverage will begin on January 1st. This means you'll start the new year with the security and peace of mind that comes with having health insurance. Don't delay and risk being uninsured when the new year begins. To take direct action, visit HealthCare.gov today. The website is ready to guide you through the enrollment process. It's designed to be intuitive and supportive, helping you find the best plan for your needs. Don't put off this vital step any longer. We understand that life is busy, but taking a few moments now can save you significant stress and expense later. This is your opportunity to secure affordable, comprehensive health coverage. Don't let this deadline pass you by. We strongly reiterate, visit HealthCare.gov to get started today. The process is simpler than you might imagine, and the potential benefits are immense. You owe it to yourself and your family to explore these options. Our goal is to make sure you are informed and empowered. Remember, HealthCare.gov is the official marketplace for health insurance. It's a trustworthy source of information and a secure platform for your application. You can feel confident that you are accessing legitimate and reliable resources. If you have questions or need assistance, help is available. You can call the HealthCare.gov call center, find local in-person assistance, or use the online chat feature. There are resources dedicated to helping you navigate the enrollment process successfully. You are not alone in this journey. Your health and financial security are paramount. Taking action now ensures you have the coverage you need for the upcoming year. Don't wait until it's too late. For more detailed information on our comment and privacy policies, please check the description below. At Health Pathfinders, we're committed to transparency and protecting your information. Thank you for learning about your healthcare options. Now is the best time to take action. Like, share, and subscribe to stay informed and empowered with Health Pathfinders.